Hey boys and girls, this is your Morocco Unknown Words practice. After reading the book Morocco, we're going to be using our text features and our context clues to find the meaning of some unknown words. Let's look at our first book page. What do they wear? Students sometimes wear a blazer or jacket over their clothes as a uniform. Now look at question 1. What is the meaning of the word blazer? Does it mean A, shoe, B, jacket, or C, shirt? Go ahead and circle your answer. All right, now let's look at the second page called lunchtime. For lunch, kids in Morocco can eat tagine, a Moroccan stew with meat, vegetables, and spices. Now the directions for question 2 says to circle the 3 foods that can be found inside tagine. Go ahead and circle those 3 words. Play this video again if you need to hear them, and then you're done.